Alright, so before I put the playback in, let me make sure the gears aren't loose first, because that would suck. Yep, the gears aren't loose. Where'd that thing go? Ooh, I gotta find that. Just looking for a little metal piece of my planer. Still looking for that metal piece, cause it's going to be or could have flown out here. And yet again, still looking for that stupid small piece of metal so I can put my planer back together. Finally, there it is. All the time. So upon further inspection, discovering this nice scratch here, looks like my father's hypothesis of a screw having caused this appears to be very, very true, which really sucks. But it's one of the big issues with us working with so much wood from dumpsters and things like that. Now to make sure these things are even, so that I can place it back on evenly. If I had enough memory on this camera, I would have shown you about probably the 30 minutes I spent fussing with that to realize these need to be even. It's like this goes right into a groove here instead of being soldered on. I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing right now. Okay, so maybe that wasn't the problem. Or it could have been because this thing was bent and blocking it. Who knew? You little space with a bang my entire existence. Maybe you stop falling down all the time and get this bloody project done and move on. Stay in place. Ugh. Almost done, and one of the bloody spacers fell out. For this repair and subsequent planer carnage is my magnetic tray. This took almost 2 days to take apart and put back together, and after twice long I had to look for all the bloody screws. But not done without you, magnetic tray, you're my MVP right now. Look at a few pieces.